Steps for removing urine stains and odors from the mattress. Urine on the mattress can become a serious problem if left untreated. The moisture caused by it can harbor bacteria and germs, which results in stains and odor. In this video, have some ways to treat the stain effectively. By applying proper measure for urine and stain odor removal, you can get rid of it. Things you will need for urine removal: clean white cloth or paper towels, baking or borax soda, vacuum cleaner, upholstery attachment brush, rubber gloves, standing fan. The steps for applying borax or baking soda: use a cloth to remove wet urine. Fill a spray with water, then spray it on the mattress to dampen the surface. Now, sprinkle the baking soda or borax on the surface. Let it sit until it gets dried. When the powder is completely dry, use your vacuum cleaner to suck all the powder. Add an upholstery attachment brush to get a thorough result. Call professional. By following mentioned methods, you can successfully do the mattress urine odor and stain removal. In case you have no idea what you're doing or have to do, you can always take professional assistance of Back to New Cleaning. Contact Back to New Cleaning to get the free quotes. Future prevention. Prevention is necessary if you have a pet or child at your place. You can take protective mattress covers to keep your mattress clean and fresh. You can also use a sealed protector which protects you from allergens and dust mites. It is actually quite effective. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing cleaning tips.